直播一结束，那你一遍呢？它显示直播已结束，怎么回事？我看
我进去了呀。
它又进去了，你再重新刷新一下。
对。
现在好了吗？那声音呢？啊，你把你手机先挂了吧。挺好的。Hello， 那些你能听到我说话吗？那说话吗？那些你能听到我说话吗 ？Hello everyone, now we are in 长沙 International. OK. Now we are in Changsha International Construction Machinery Equipment Exhibition. Today we want to introduce the machines here. First of all, we want to introduce the 1-ton mini excavator. This one weight is about 1 ton. It's about 1 ton, and you can see it has a compact size, so it can work in a narrow place, and it usually used for farm, greenhouses, and road maintenance. Some European customers buy it for family gardens to work for their gardens. You can see this bucket. This bucket capacity is 0.02 cubic, and the bucket weight is 400 millimeter. And you can see this cylinder, hydraulic cylinder, is for lifting up the boom. And these two hydraulic cylinder means for working device controls the excavator bucket to work. And there's hydraulic system we use the imported one. And about the mini excavator crawler. This crawler weight is 350 millimeter. It is the construction crawler. Quality is stable, and the total length about this crawler is about 1 meters total length. And this machine digging depth is 1.6 meters, and this working range and turning radius is about 1.2 meter. And this is dozer blade. This dozer blade can support whole machine. If you put down the blade, it is more stable when the machine working. And the total length about this machine is total length is 2.5 meters total length, and the total weight, the total weight is 940 millimeter total weight. And this one uses hydraulic pilot operated valve. You can see here is hydraulic pilot operated valve. And about this engine, we can use copper engine and tungsten engine. Also can choose the Yanmar engine according to customers' demand. Here is the diesel tank, and we add the hour meters here. Customers can know how long this machine has worked directly from this meter. And here is the switch for the light, and this is the start key. The warning light, and this seat use waterproof material. And the machine total weight is about 1 ton. And we also can supply spare parts list for you. You can choose what you want. And this machine, we also have CE certificate for Europe market, and also have EPA certificate for UI America, for America. Here we also can add a proof here to protect the workers and the drivers from the sun and rain damage. You can see this is the operating handle, and the dumping head. Customers want to know the dumping head is dumping head is 2.4 meters. If you have other questions for this mini excavator, you can send the inquiry to us. You can leave a message at below and give me like. Now we are in exhibition of Changsha now. So if you want to get more information about our other machine and this mini excavator, you can leave a message. And this here is the total switch for the electrical system for the whole our whole machine. Okay, this one is a simple one, 1 ton, and the price is also competitive, so it is more easy to accept by customers. If you are a dealer from mini excavator, you can choose this one because it has high cost performance. And here is the clean device. Now you can see this is the bucket. We also can use a quick hitch here to change other accessories such as brake hammer, auger, rake, and other accessories. So哎，怎么啦？你给手，你给用的他的手机。哦。他刚才是找你的，我给他说了。So next one we want to introduce this one. This one. This is our new design. You can see. This one is model is HW26, and the weight of this one is about 2.6 tons. And here is the brake hammer. Also can use the digging bucket. And you can see this one is the hydraulic pilot operate. This is the lock for the hydraulic pilot control. And this seat is use waterproof material. This is the lock for the hydraulic pilot control. But this color, we use steel material, but we attached a rubber wiring blocks on the steel, because these blocks can stop it to damage the road. And the if we use digging bucket, the bucket capacity is 0.068. We also can change other accessories such brake hammer, rake, auger, and other many accessories. So this small machine has multi-function. You can see this is a hydraulic pump. We all use the imported one. The hydraulic pressure. The hydraulic pressure is 21st MPa. You can see we add a light here. We do each details well. About this machine, we have two colors can be choose. One is gray and another is yellow one. If you want others color, you also can send us your inquiry. We can customize it for you. This machine digging height is 3.8 meter. Digging height is 3.8 meter. And this digging depth is 2.3 meter. And the dumping height, this one dumping height is 2.5 meter. If you have a truck, it can equip a truck to work. If your truck height below 2.5, it can you can choose this one. You can see this one is no tail. The longer than the body, so it is more. It is compact. It can work in a narrow place. And the engine will use also and also can be imported in from other countries. This one engine power is 15.2 kilowatt. Here is the dozer blade. This dozer blade can support the whole machine. When working, it is stable working. This boom, the boom length is 1.8 meters, and the bucket rod length is 940 millimeter. You can see here is the diesel tank. Diesel tank capacity is 28 liter. 28 liter. This is for start, for kickstart the machine. And another advantage of this machine is its chassis. The color can be expanded more wider. This color can be expanded more wider. This is another new design type. Here we have the belt, safety belt. This safety belt is free and can protect the driver from damage. And this roof, can protect the driver from the sun and rain damage, and it can stop rolling when damage happens. Here is the engine. You can see the craft design of this machine. It is compact and uses the casting steel, casting craft. So it is more strong, more stable to use, and it has a long service life. And this hydraulic flow is 76 liter per minute. It's flow, a hydraulic flow. And the rotation motor is the track motor. And the torque converter is 67 AM per minute. So it means the its work function is more powerful. Okay, this one is our Model HW26 new design. Because this exhibition has bigger influence in the market, so we take this new design machine here. We want to open the market. So if you want to know about this one, you can send inquiry at below and give me like. You can find more new design machine here. And this 这里工作人员。About the price, you also can leave message. We can send you a good price. Okay, next one we want to introduce a wheel excavator. Next one. This one is our wheel excavator. This month we push it in the market. This month, so we take it to this exhibition now. You can see here is the wood grapple. It can rotate 330 degrees. So it has working. You can see here. Here is with reserved hydraulic pipeline. Why we reserved this hydraulic pipeline? Because it is more easy to change other accessories here, such as brake hammer, sauger, and so on. So this machine has multi-function, and you can see it is more big than small one. Its weight is about 7.2 kilograms. Total weight is 7.2 kilograms. 7.2 tons. Sorry. And about this machine, we use Hengwang engine. Some engines for your choices. Hengwang engine, Yunli engine, and Yuchai engine. Yunli engine is more popular in the market now. Here. You can see this is our cabinet. I see this is our cabinet. And here we add a colorful LCD screen. And it can real-time sensing the status of a machine, such as water temperature, oil capacity, and fuel capacity. You can see directly from the screen. Suki, please close to me. Take a photo for that screen. Here, screen. Here is a screen. Colorful LCD screen. its size is 7 inch. 7 inch. 7 inch. Yeah, please.
Go to the toilet.
And the next one is the steering wheel. It is one piece. Integrated steering wheel. You can if you push here, you can pull this steering wheel closer to the body, driver's body, and it is more easy to operate and easy to drive. If you step this pedal, this steering wheel will rebound, and the driver can come down. Yes, this is a new design type. And here you can see, here is a hydraulic pilot valve. This is the hydraulic pilot valve lock. If you push it here, it means closed. If you push it down, it means open. Yeah. It's more flexible and convenient to operate. And this one we use multi-tandem valve, and the seat. About the seat, we use dual double suspension seats. So it is more comfortable to sit here to walk. Driver and can greatly improve the walking efficiency because the driver is happy to walk here. So it can improve the walking efficiency. You can see, very comfortable to sit here. And you can see we added the air condition here. We use parallel air condition. It can outlet. It can flow air from 330 degrees. You can see the air condition. Hey, Suki, please take a close photo for the air condition. You can see parallel 300 and 30 degrees. And we also added the fans here. And we also added the ratio. You can see ratio. Yeah, it is big and bright cabin, right? Because you can see it has a wider view because the cab will do bigger size, more big size than before. So it is an advantage of our machine. Okay, about the cabin, we introduced where? About the tire. you can see this tire is different from others because it is integrated, more strong and more wider. Yeah, what advantage is it? Because it can to prevent a rock from being caught. So when the machine working, it can prevent the a rock from being caught. Yeah. And the hydraulic system, we all use imported from Germany, and can great great make the engine more powerful and improve the working efficiency. No matter it is high load or fine working. It also it will be it has it will be good performance. So it is. Please stop speaking. Yeah. Go back. At the rear of the machine. You can see this is here. We use one piece cover. We use the casting craft for the cover. And we use the counterweight, casting counterweight. Other factories may use the cement concrete to add the counterweight, but we use the full steel counterweight. It is another advantage of this machine. So you can see it is more strong because it is casting, and it makes the machine more beautiful. Make the machine has a beautiful appearance and can improve the whole machine's stability and can increase its service life. Increase its service life. So far, this machine we have three models. HWL 8026, 27, 28. Bucket capacity is same. All is bucket capacity is. Let me see. 4:20。And the bucket capacity is 0.28 cubic. If we use the digging bucket, and our hydraulic pump is imported from Korea. And the torque converter is this one is unit engine, and the engine power is 58 kilogram. So it's torque converter. Torque converter is 245 Nm per minute. 让右手。And this machine fuel tank capacity is 130 liters. Fuel tank capacity is 130 liters. And the main one we use the multi-tandem wall from the countries, and the hydraulic oil tank capacity is 110 liters. This one digging radius is 6.1 meters, and the digging depth is 3.6 meters, and the damming height is about 5 meters. And the boom length is 3.5 meters. If it uses the digging bucket, the digging force is 44 kA, and its climbing ability is 35 degrees. So it has great climbing ability. And walking speed is 35 kilometer per hour. About this machine, need to use transportation of this machine need to use rural, because its long transportation length is 6 meters, and transportation height is 2.7 meters. So it can't be loaded into the container. It need to use roll. Yes. About this new design excavator wheel type. If you want more information, you can send an inquiry to us and send a little message as below. Our workers will give you complete solutions. Now we are in Changsha International Construction Exhibition now. We are at so please send the inquiry. We will give you a good price for that. Next one, we want to introduce our water well jewelry. Okay.
我介绍过了吗？
啊？
我介绍过了吗？
加微信？没有。到明天再介绍这个。我想等待转机。That's why we want to introduce our water well jewelry. This model is WS260, and it can drilling depth is about 260 meters. See this here. One advantage of this machine has a hopper. Can bear the impact hammer. It can save time to change the impact hammer because it is more heavy. So we do this hopper here, and this is a drilling bit and more bigger impact hammer. This one uses Yuchai diesel engine. The engine power is 73 kilogram. Kilowatt. Yes. And about the rotary speed is adjustable. So you can adjust the speed of the power head. If you want to drill slowly, you can adjust here. And we use the hydraulic motor. This machine weight is 6,000 kilograms and is more stable. The total length of this machine is 4.5 meters and total weight. But this machine is 1.9 meters. And the total height of this is if you want to load a container, if just this machine needs container. If you want to press together, we need 40 container. Loading the drilling rod. And we can install a drilling rod here. Here is and our hydraulic tank here. Hydraulic tank is 120 liters. This is the crawler of this machine. This crawler is steel type, but we attached the rubber wiring blocks here. Why? What advantage is it? It can protect the road from damage. Yes, it is a new design. And about the outrigger. This outrigger is a hydraulic control. It can lift up to 1.5 meters. You can see the rear. Yes, thank you. Here is air filter. We have 2 air filter. Yeah. So it can clean the air twice. And here is for air compressor connection. The connection of air compressor. Yeah. So here is the fuel tank. The fuel tank here is about 120 liters. We also can equip the toolkits for you with free. And this is battery. Here is the battery. And this is parallel meters. The machine can keep parallel. It's okay. About this one time. Workers can sit here to operate the control panel. It is more convenient. Such as European and American customers may most like this design. It is can labor. Sit here to operate the control panel. You can see this is water temperature meter, and here is oil meter, and here is the pressure meter, and this is push feeding pressure meter, and this is the warning light, and this is the light switch. Here is the electric pressure meter, and this is the oil meter, oil capacity meter. This is the rotation speed meter. This one is the start weight. This is the close the machine switch. This one is for the rotation of the power head. They push. If you this is lifting up and feed fastly, and this one is the counterwise rotation, and this is faster rotation, and this is anti-counter wise rotation. Here is for the outrigger control. This handle for outrigger lifting up and down. Yes. Here is for the switch for the air compressor. Yeah. And this one can this tower height is 3.6 meter. We can choose the drilling rod 76 millimeter with 3 meters. Also can choose 1.5 meters drilling rod. Also can use the drilling rod diameter 89 millimeter with 3 meter length. Also can choose about the tower. Also can do 6 meters. If you can 6 if your casting pipe is 6 meters, you need choose 6 towers. This climbing ability is 30 degree. And the air consumption is 17 to 35 cubic minutes. Yeah. Finish. 5 o'clock. this machine is 40 to 70 rpm. This is Yucha engine. Yucha is famous engine in our country. Its engine power is 73 kilowatts. This drilling diameter is 140 to 300 millimeter. It can drilling the if you want to drilling the soil geology, we can add the motor pump at the rear. The working pressure, hydraulic working pressure is 1.7 to 3.3 MPa. The whole weight is about 6 kilograms. And here is connectors drilling bit. 还讲啥？讲压力计。This is 无点结束。
该收拾了。
那咱讲这个吧。This is the road roller, 2-ton road roller. Control roller. Operate the steering wheel, and here is the hour, working hour meter. So know how long time the machine has worked, and this is the light for the light. And here is the to control the water pump. This is switch for the vibration machine. The wheel length 多少？ The wheel length is 1.2 meters. Steel wheel. You can see the character of the machine is time. This one we use to because some customers may be worried about our automatic engine, diesel engine, because they can't buy spare parts for the engine at their local place. Please don't worry about that because we can remove the engine for you. You can change your local engine. It's easy to and here this handle is if you push forward, the machine will forward directly. If you push it back, it will go back directly. And here is a medium.